Okay, here's a Daikin inverter ductless air conditioner at a commercial property. It's actually a brand new commercial property. It's a 2-ton from 2015, I believe. Here's a couple of American Standards, 14 SEER. American Standard Gold Series. I just want to get away from that window. Some more American Standard Gold Series units. 2015, so that's what year that Daikin's from. Never heard of this. American Standard Gold, 3.5 ton. Yeah, these are 14 SEER, nice units. Brand new. And here's one off. These are really quiet. There's a compressor. Sickle blades, very nice units again. Alright, anyways. I guess over and out.